In this video, I will guide you on how to see Temu price drop notifications. First, launch open the Temu app. Make sure to log into your account, or you can open any web browser and go to temu.com as well. Now tap on the U icon at the bottom of your screen. From here, tap on the settings icon at the top right corner. Here, find the option of notifications. Tap on that. Now you should be able to find the option of receive push notifications. Make sure that you have selected enable now. Go ahead and select that. Now you might have to enable it using your device settings as well. Then head back. Now you want to make sure that the promotion push notifications are turned on. Tap on the edit option and toggle all of these options on, especially the push notification. Once enabled, Temu will notify you when eligible items in your account receive price drops or other promotional offers. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.